All right, so I have the heavy duty drain snake, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this heavy duty drain snake to get clear out the drain right here so I can use that. So what I'm gonna do is with the drain snake, I am going to actually go ahead and unscrew the top of this right here so the drain snake can get down there clearly. All right, so this is every hold drain snake. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it like this so I can get way deep down inside of the drain and clear it out. It comes with this little grip part right here, just in case you have to go down really low, almost low to the flow. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down, and you see it already pulled up some hair. Now this is just a brush right here. So this brush right here will actually pull up hair, and it will actually clean out the gunk that's in there. You'll see what's gonna happen right here. So you can, if you want to, just go ahead and put some water down there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this and put this in here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. See what we're doing right here, see what we're working with, see the gunk that we're about to pull out. I'm just gonna go ahead and press this down in here. Just press it, just keep on going down. It can go down as low as you want, all the way down to the flow. All right, so I'm gonna go down there, and then what I like to do is I like to pull it back and forth, and this right here is gonna pull out a lot of gunk. Now look at that. Look at all of this that's coming up right here. That's a lot of hair and a lot of gunk. Now, if you want to, you could use some gloves to clean this off right here, and so you can get back in there. We're gonna go back all the way in there. Look at that gunk right there. Look at all that hair. Look at all that gunk. That's nastiness right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel some of this off. Put this to the side. Just look at that gunk right here. You know, I'm just gonna leave it in the sink right there so you can see that. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna go down a different hole right here. And I'm just gonna go all the way down to the flow, and just keep on pressing it down like that. It's pretty nasty. We're gonna pull this up. Look at that. All of this hair that's coming up, this gunk and nastiness, it just keeps on getting worse and worse. So I did under that side. Now, yeah, that's pretty gross right there. I should have worn some gloves. This time I'm gonna go down this quarter. So because of that thing is in here, I can't pull this out. So I'm just gonna go down each one of them and go down low, all the way down to the flow, and pull out some stuff. And it's each time I go down there, it's pulling out more gunk. Really nasty. Look at all this. I'm gonna go down this third one right here, fourth one. I'm gonna go down low, all the way to the flow. All right. Just try to go down as low as I possibly can, and then just pull it out. All right, so I've got all this gunk in here. It's pretty nasty. I'm gonna show you really quick. Look at all this hair that came up out of this. Look at all this, all that gunk. And I'm gonna just go ahead and drop that down the toilet, and then I'm gonna pour the water and see how well it actually flows down the sink now. The water goes down the sink fairly easy now because we got all the hair out and we have a lot of the gunk out, and we can use the sink like we once did before. Get rid of that hair right there. So this is the heavy duty drain snake by Every Hold. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.